Hey everybody, in this video we have a 1990 Ford Ranger lock, and we're going to use the, as of August 21st, 2020, the not yet released FO14 Lishi here to actually pick and decode the lock. This is actually a pin tumbler lock, and so I'll go ahead and pick and decode it here, and we'll I'll cut a key on the Condor Dolphin, and I'll film that and put it on my other channel like I've been doing here lately. To get started, that's a twin lifter Lishi, but this lock though is actually single-sided, so we don't need one of the lifters. Make sure I get the tool inserted all the way in. Zoom in here so we can all see. Yeah, just figure out. So our tumblers are all going down here, so we'll be using the lifter that's going down. So one is springy, we will leave it alone. Little click on 2. 3 is springy, 4 is springy. Okay, 5 is binding. Click on 5. 4 springy, 3 springy. Okay, 2 is binding. Let's click on 2, and 1 is springy. 2 is binding again. Tiny click on 2 and got a little bit of rotation. 3 and 4 springy, 5 springy, 1 springy. Another click on 2. 3 is binding, click on 3. Okay, 4 oh, now we're actually open. So we noticed we never did pick number 1 actually, so number 1 is probably going to be a 5. But I will go ahead and see that we can actually decode it here. Alright, so just using the bottom lifter, and 1 is indeed a 5, 2 is a 1, 3 is a 4, 4 is a 4, and 5 is a 1. So we got 5, 1, 4, 4, 1. So let me run out to the garage here and actually cut a key, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I went and cut a key here, and I'll put the video on the top, top right of the screen here on my other channel using the Key Tool Max and Condor Dolphin to actually cut the key. And so that's what it looks like here, 51441. And punch it in here, and works perfectly. So there's a 1990 Ford Ranger lock, like I said, pin tumbler lock. You see the pin cap there. Picked and decoded with the FO14 Lishi. And like always, questions or comments, put them in the comments. And also on the bottom right of the screen there, you'll see a floating link to my Lishi playlist. It's got, as of now, like 75 or 76 videos on all kinds of Lishi tools, from the residential, commercial ones, all to also tons and tons of automotive ones. So anyway, we got for now on this one, guys. We'll talk to everybody later.